kasama ko ngayon ng aking mga anak at si Sir. Nagpapagas muna kami, Maring. Nandito kami sa Hilton Head Island, South Carolina kasi imi-meet up ko yung pinsan ko ngayon. So hindi naman malayo sa amin, 2 hours drive lang naman siya. So hindi siya ganun kalayo. So ilang years kami hindi nakita ng pinsan ko at today ay sa bukas magkikita na kami. So pupuntahan namin siya sa resort kung saan siya nagstay at saka magstay kami dito for 1 night at bukas kami uuwi sa bahay kasi yung mga aso ay walang magpapakain sa bahay, so hindi pwede na matagalan kami sa stay. So i-meet up ko siya ngayon, Maring. Nandito na tayo, Maring. Ang ganda ng lugar.
Mama, you see
Yeah, may pool and golf course. So nice. Oh, there's a small pool for kids.
But the family
I'm going to
of
big
my
pool.
husband
Yeah.
is a Republican. Yes.
The room is so nice.
In my opinion,
The bathroom is nice. So ito yung bathroom dito sa room nila, Maring. Very nice and big. Yan.
I'd rather go out at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Para kay Neria ay. So,
You enjoy going to Lily?
so diri lugar nagpuyo ang uban jud ting naman sila balay oh.
Yeah, but did you enjoy going to school? I love the part when they take the time. Oh, you what? I love the part when they take the time. Okay, resist.
What?
Resist time. Eating time is your favorite?
Lily, what's your favorite food?
Turn left on the Lighthouse Road.
A what? They're so good and crispy.
Turn left daw.
It gets crispy when you fry. Ah. Okay.
Oh, nice.
You like the teacher? You do?
Playground is really nice.
Daddy, don't do that to Dad last time when we were going to that
Slight right.
That hurt.
Very, very
Now,
nice.
Daddy.
It was a bird.
No, not first cannot play tail.
He was trying to make a
It's a
nest.
poop on you.
He was just trying to make a nest so he can lay his eggs.
Wow, dagan kay bike. For rent siguro na.
Most likely my walking or
Wow, the boats are there. Turn left.
Left? Dali? Left?
Dali daw.
Pwede naman ka di mag-GPS.
Wow, so nice. La ferns. Pangkuan, mang patay. Hindi man ta ganahan og pa-decorate ano eh. Kay ang daming ferns. The crazy crab.
I love playing with tiny dogs. What do you want to eat though?
So nice.
Fried chicken. Oh my, fried chicken? I love it so much. Where are we gonna?
Hala, nice kaayong mga boat.
Where you guys want to eat?
Nice kayo ang mga boat. Bisag asa ah. Asa mamo? Masiguro niya oh.
Do you want to eat right here or on the other side? They have a place down there.
Nice kayo ang boat.
Somewhere.
Namoy boat eh.
Boat right here.
Wow, mga yacht. So nice here.
Okay, stop what you're doing. Did Papa want anything? Okay. Can we tell him that's what we're doing?
Okay, where do you guys want to eat? You want to go eat up there at the lighthouse?
We can try there.
I never seen a lighthouse in my life.
Na ay restaurant sa ibabaw? Oh, wow. That's a very nice boat.
My dog Charlie, he goes to the boy. I miss my dog Charlie. He's a boy. Charlie? Yeah, and then he slapped his wife and he's making song. You're a Charlie now. Yeah, I think Charlie's sad at home because he's bored. He only gets
Charlie looked sad when we left.
Oh, that's what. Charlie only gets wild if we come back. Oh.
Wow, lighthouse.
That's what.
Ang ganda ng lighthouse.
I have fun. And the dog got.
I think it's here.
I think we can go right there. We can go inside. I think this is the quarters. I mean, what is that?
Quarter dock
Quarter
deck
dock market. We
market.
can go in that side. Well, Charlie has a friend that
Picture ta diri unya oh.
so,
Ang ganda ng mga boats.
but
Yeah, it's so nice here.
my try to be, but she only. Well, I think Lola is a chihuahua. No, I heard chihuahuas are the maddest dogs in the world. We've been walking forever.
You're tired of walking forever?
I really want to swim in that beautiful water.
Ang ganda.
Right up to the front.
Sarapita. Here? Oh. So, kain muna kami ng lunch. Walking from Niwang. The restaurant is so nice, mga maring. Look. They have a lot of frames. Kamis kayo muna unti. Siya hindi na bitaw. Tay Maring. Nandito tayo sa social na restaurant. First time ko dito ang social na restaurant. So, hindi ko alam anong orderin ko. Bahala na. Kaya na kami lahat.
I think it's like a college fund for your kids, like but they can put that money and then the kids can use it.
Meron siyang nakabalot na mga tables dito. You put this on your lap, baby. Put this on your lap.
Right now,
Wow, so nice. So good. Thank you.
hold on, wait.
Dagpo man di kayo po. Ang laki ng serving, Maring. Grabe, ang laki. Oh. Ang dami. Filet mignon. Filet mignon. Put it on the table. The handkerchief. She put it on the table. Maybe. That's it. Right here. She put
put it like, oh, yan na naman ko din. I'm gonna say hi to your vlog. Hi, vlog.
Eat vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Daghan man po di ay servings. Butang mo sa table. Butang dito dapat niya. Wala naman ba siya? So good. Lami kayo sa potato eh.
Hindi ka muli mo.
Creamy kayo siya, Marie.
Muli mo kasi. Muli mo gamitin ng vlog.
Camera.
Voice over na gawin ka.
Dili. Muna na siya. Post mo sa YouTube.
Nakulangan ko sa akin.
Oh yeah, like parasailing. Oh nice. Mermaid.
I found a fight.
Nice here. Nandito tayo sa Harbor Town. Oh, nice ah. The boats. Ayan, so ang ganda ng lugar mga maring. Tingnan nyo yung mga barko, oh, mga yacht. Grabe, ang ganda. Tapos meron pa doon, oh, ang laki. At sino kayang may-ari ng mga boats na yan? Grabe, ang ganda. Pang ano talaga siya, pang mayaman. Yan, ang ganda ng lugar. Diyan naman ay yung lighthouse. Tapos, ang daming mga restaurant na social. Sobrang dami. So, yung pinsan ko ay nag-CR muna. Dito muna kami antay sa may bench. Under the tree. Grabe, ang ganda ng tree, maring. Ang laki. Dito muna kami kasi mag-check-in kami mamaya sa hotel. Ay 4 PM pa. At marami pa kaming time. 2 hours pa before check-in. Kasi yung i-stayhan namin ay nasa ibang hotel. So, hindi kami the same hotel na pag-i-stayhan ng ng aking pinsan. So, yung hotel na pag-i-stayhan namin maring ay nilibre niya kami. Siya yung nagbayad. Para makapag-stay kami dito, magkita kami kasi nga ilang years na kami hindi nagkita. Grabe, sobrang ganda dito maring. As in, parang talaga siya, pang social talaga siya. So, first time ko sa mga ganitong lugar na mamahalin. Ang ganda dito magbakasyon. Dito to sa Sea Pines Resort sa Hilton Head, South Carolina. Sobrang ganda.
Most likely, ba na kita Kaya I was vlogger.
Swimming.
Hi, vlog.
Video. Mayroon man siya nga pool.
traffic circle onto Queens Folly Road, then continue straight. Continue straight. In 800 feet, your destination will be on the right.
It wasn't scary for me.
Go that thing fast, you gonna know it.
No, you will break your, you destroy your car too.
Well, it was.
Nandito tayo maring sa Hilton Beachfront Resort.
Your destination is on the right.
Wow, ang ganda. So we'll check in.
Hotel was so big.
Oh, we have to park first. I don't know. Wait.
Yeah, go park first.
It's so big now.
Is it in your name?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's so tall.
Well, go ahead and go check in.
Naka-check-in na kami sa hotel, mga maring. Ang ganda ng hotel. Grabe. Tignan nyo, mga maring. Ayan, oh. Sa window, dito makikita mo ang beach sa labas. Wow. Ganda.
Don't hang that thing over the. Don't hang this over there. Don't feel that.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that edge.
Oh, you.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Don't,
That's scary.
don't lean.
You can't lean here. It's not strong.
Yeah.
Tignan nyo, mga maring. Merong pool sa
That's gonna hurt them when
ibabaw. I mean sa bottom. Tapos may ano siya, beach. Wow, the sand is white. So nice.
Yeah, so
But you can't go out here, Lily. It's dangerous.
look, that old little boardwalk right there.
Come here.
Right at the beach.
I'll
so
hold you.
look,
I'll just hold you.
Hey,
Mommy.
Lily.
So nice.
Riley, look at me. Look at me. Look. Watch this right here. Watch it, okay? See that? Don't come near
It's
this.
not
okay?
strong.
So, if you want to look, stand right here.
Yeah,
Don't
we're just
come
standing.
near this because it'll fall.
Umuuyog yung ano marin, yung railings. Hindi siya safe.
It's good that we're scared of heights, so we won't have to go.
Nasa ano pa naman kami, 10th floor. We will swim there tonight. Because they close at 10. Wow, so nice.
Yeah, babe, we're going to go on the 10-foot.
Daddy.
Me and you.
Daddy.
No, I'm not. I don't know how to swim.
We're on the 10 to 13 foot.
Dad.
What?
It's good that
We just go to the kiddie pool. Oh, they have a kiddie pool there.
right?
Come here, Lily.
Yeah, we'll go down there later.
Oh, ang ganda ng room, Marie. Tignan
It's
mo.
just better if y'all
Yes,
don't
our
go out.
beds.
Y'all just stay in here.
It's so beautiful. Oh my god. It's more like
So, maliit lang na, maliit yung dinala namin, Maring, kasi akala namin one night lang kami, pero mai-extend kami ng isa pang night. So, uuwi kami Thursday ng umaga. So, maraming salamat sa aking pinsan dahil sa kanyang asawa dahil sila yung nag-book ng hotel namin na may istihan. So, ang ganda ng hotel, Maring, as in beachfront talaga siya. Ang ganda. So, yung asawa ko ay umuwi muna siya sa bahay kasi may package na dadating at walang maglalagay doon sa loob ng bahay. 2 hours drive lang naman siya. So, back and forth 4 hours. So, mamayang gabi pa siya makakabalik mga 10 p.m. At para na makakuha din siya ng extra na damit para sa amin. 2 hours drive lang naman sa bahay. So, sanay naman siya mag-drive. So, okay lang sa kanya. Binigyan ako ng pinsan ko ng dress. Nagkasya naman siya, yung binigyan niyang dress. So, yan, meron ako bago dress. Tapos mamayang 6:30 Maring ay kukunin kami dito ng pinsan ko dahil magdi-dinner kami kasama ang kanyang asawa. Punta tayo sa baba, Maring. Dahil mag-aantay na kami sa pinsan ko. Nasaan kaya ang elevator? Nag-aantay kami sa elevator, Maring. Ang tagal. Ito yung kinatatakutan ko ang sumakay ng elevator. Ayan. Close pa ang tatlong elevator. Tignan nyo ang pool, Maring. Ang ganda. So, yung pool ay open sila until 9 p.m. So, mamaya baka mag-swimming kami kung hindi uulan. Very nice.
Can
What?
swim with us?
Maybe tomorrow she'll come to swim with us. So, nag-aantay kami pick upin ng aking pinsan, Maring, for dinner. Come here, Lily. Sit here, my baby girl. Sit here. Ayan. Ang ganda ng hotel. Sobrang ganda. Ulan. Ulan. So,
Baby, you hold this one.
we're back here mga Maring sa hotel. Natapos na kaming kumain. So, hindi na akong kapag-video doon mga Maring dahil parang nakakahiyang mag-video doon. Ang daming tao. Kain tayo Maring ng chips, tortillas na may salsa. Sarap. So, try natin itong guacamole. Guacamole ba ito or guacamole? Ayan, Maring, oh. Green na green. So, first time ko makatry nitong guacamole. Try natin siya. Oh! Avocado man ito na may mga spices. Kaya siya.
It feels so good to be here. This is our first. Mommy,
Masarap naman siya pero hindi siya para sa akin.
Mom, this is our first hotel room.
Mas masarap itong salsa. Ito yung the best. Made of ano siya, tomato, Maring, na may mga bell pepper or jalapeno ba itong mga spices. Sarap. Yung asawa ko Maring ay papunta na dito, pabalik na siya dito. So, alas 11 na dito ng gabi at grabe yung ulan sa labas. Napakalakas. Tapos, kumukulog. Magna-night swimming sana kami, pero hindi natuloy kasi may thunderstorm. So, ayan, mga Maring, ang ganap for today. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog today. See you next time. Bye!
Where's my